today I'm going to show you how I'm going to overwinter this banana pepper. I already cut most of the leaves off of it. I'm going to go ahead and trim it down even more. My peppers usually hardly get started till it gets about frost time. So I'm going to try to hold this over for the winter so that I'll have a nice plant that's ready to get going in the springtime as soon as I plant it out. So here's the device I made to loosen up those roots. This is a toilet supply line that I cut down, narrowed that down so that it fits inside this hose fitting. Yeah, so this has a good bit of force the way it's designed there. I sharpened the end, the tip of it a little bit, so it goes in, it pushes down into the soil easily. So watch this. Look at that. It's got pretty good force, a lot of force there. I've never seen anyone do this before, but it seemed like a good way to do it to me, albeit a little messy. Woo! Because we're going to wash all the soil off of these roots anyways, because we don't want to bring any bugs and pathogens into our house for the winter, because there's nothing to kill them, so they can just go wild. So that soil feels like it's pretty loosened up all around there. Oh yeah, that helped it pull out nice and easily. And then the roots are all loosened up already. And you can prune these even down so that they'll fit in the pot better. But this one I don't think needs pruned because there's not that many roots on it. Because it wasn't a huge plant. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse the rest of that soil out of there. Then we'll go ahead and water that in. And I don't have a greenhouse, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the window inside this pot for the winter. If you like this video, I know you're gonna love the video that I did on how to repurpose and recharge potting soil. So I'll put a end screen to that up here. So click on that and I'll see you there.